In the midlife years, many of us get a little extra around the midsection that none of us asked for, but we have to deal with anyways. Tucking our shirt in that area can create bulk and be downright uncomfortable. So today I'm going to show you options for styling the midlife midsection that are affordable, comfortable, and fashionable. Before we begin, let me point out that you can shop all of these outfits through the QR code on the screen. You just scan it, or there is a shopping link in the episode description. With that said, every blouse that I am showing you today is from Amazon. They're all under $40 and all very affordable. The first one here, I love this muted mauve color because it feels very spring, but it can also be worn in the fall as well. It simply ties at the waist, giving a little camouflage to that area. While not tucking your shirt, it still gives some definition to the waist area. Very lovely blouse, and you're going to see it again in a short sleeve version soon. In this outfit, I am pairing another tie waist blouse with slimming crop pants. And not only are they slimming, but they also give your backside a little bit of lift. So not only are we concealing the midsection or working around it, but we're also giving a bit of slimming effect to that area as well. I am pairing some wedge heels here that are also neutral beige for an overall tonal color combination. Again, this blouse is from Amazon and it is under $40. I will go ahead and let you know that while this may look like a peacock blue on the screen, it's actually navy blue for the blouse. Navy blue is one of the hardest colors to photograph, so that's why I don't show more of it. This is a wrap blouse, and I've actually used fashion tape to secure it at the bust area. Again, I'm pairing it with these beige running heels. They're wedge heels, but they're marketed as running heels because they're that kind of comfortable. And I will do a color study on navy blue and beige together, but for spring and summer, it is a very chic color combination. And no outfit pairing would be complete without at least one blue jean outfit. These are my favorite right now for spring because they're ankle length. These are slim boyfriend jeans that come just above my ankle. And this mauve faux wrap blouse pairs nicely with it. You may not be able to see it on screen, but there is a bit of an eyelet pattern to the blouse. Very lovely color for spring. Again, this color can be worn again in early fall. And I played around with shoes and settled on this little 1-inch kitten heel to just give a little bit of lift. I get lots of questions about shoes, but there's no solid answer. It really depends on the wearer, on your level of comfort, and what looks best on you. And this pairing might be my favorite pairing of the day. The blouse is Amazon, and it is a cross faux wrap blouse. It is held together with a stitch, but you could hold it together a little more if you need it with, that's the stitch. You could use fashion tape to secure it a little bit more if need be. And I have paired it, the oyster color of the blouse, with beige linen blend pants. So these are not true linen pants. They do withstand a little bit more with wrinkles than regular linen pants. And then I love how the cap toe heels add a little bit of depth and interest to this outfit. It just looks very classy, very spring, very chic. I generally try to stay away from asymmetrical fashion pieces. I see them as trendy, but this one I loved because it covers the midsection without tucking. The gathering point on the hip conceals the tummy area and allows you to wear your shirt untucked. And I love the silhouette that it creates with the wide leg pants. That knot it's not really a knot, but the knot there on the hip creates a focal point for the outfit as well, adding some depth and interest to this neutral outfit. And again, I've paired it with that little 1-inch kitten heel for a little bit of lift. And the final blouse here is essentially the same blouse and same color as the first blouse, but in a short sleeve, flutter sleeve version. So while we're talking midlife midsection in this video, obviously the tie at the midsection, the A-line of the blouse covers the midsection area. If you are also concerned about styling your arms in warm weather, flutter sleeves are a great option. They cover the upper arm while also allowing air to flow around the skin in that area. And I just love how feminine the flutter sleeve, the gathering at the waist, and the A-line of the peplum creates in this outfit. Until we meet again, my friends.